Hey, good morning, everyone. Happy Saturday. Oh my goodness, it's late night. Had a holiday party last night for my partner's company. Didn't get too crazy. Designated driver. I'm okay. Only had one drink, then 4 hours passed, so that was good. But stayed up a little late watching Friends, and we had really great food, which was great. And then we kind of got home and we're like, we're still hungry. Luckily, we have a store that's open 24 hours, so we're able to make some breakfast burritos at midnight, which is perfect. Well, welcome everyone to Saturday. Hey, friends. Hey, friends. Hey, Helge, how's it going, buddy? Hey, friends. I don't want to steal that from Hanselman, though. That's the problem, is Hanselman has his hello, friends. I need something, though. We can come up with that together. See what we can make unique to us. I don't want to completely. I think Donovan has his hello everyone, and then he gets real excited and yells, and then like hello everyone, and then he's like, that's not enough, right? He's always rubbing DevOps on things. He's always like, let me just blah 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 blah.
Is I'm gonna rub a little DevOps on this and I'm gonna make it better.
I could maybe do a clip of him where he's just very excited about welcoming everyone. Hello everyone. Let's pour some coffee. It's very hello world. Hello world. Got my soundbite mug this morning. My chess.com mug, unofficial sponsor, is in the dishwasher, so there's that. This is pretty cool. This mug I got custom made. Should probably put these on store, give them away. They're from a really cool local company called Espresso Parts. Hello, my follow monos. And today I'm just drinking some Trader Joe's coffee. You can just go and get this at your local Trader Joe's. We were out of coffee because we had our mail on hold, and the coffee said it was delivered, but they didn't deliver it for like a week. So we went out and got a bag of this Trader Joe's stuff. It's pretty good. It's not bad. They have like cans, but it's whole bean. Pretty good. It's light to medium roast. It's like an organic Ethiopian Guji. What's our coffee? Oh, I spelled it wrong. Kufi coffee. There we go. That's what it is. Your local Trader Joe's. They got you covered. It's a very cold morning, not rainy. I was on the weather channel last night, and they're just like, it is gonna rain a billion times. Just keep raining nonstop for the next forever. They said for the next X days. They're like, we're using big O notation for the next O to the N days. Just gonna keep going and going and going. Okay. We're back on our Blazor Saturdays. If there's a B. Blazor Banana Saturdays. We are on our SignalR Saturdays. Hanging out just for about an hour and a half. And I hadn't been around for the last 2 or so weeks. Remember, I was on holiday, and then I was flying out to Orlando. So I did the stream last Friday, left, and I said I'd be back. So I'm back, and I left a challenge out to the community. I said, hey, everyone, got a little challenge for you, because I know for me, Blazor's been a little scary.
This is enough to scare me to go update my LinkedIn profile and look for another job.
So I said, how about you guys go and give this little pull request, see what you can do. So I left and I came back, and Mr. Magoo, who I know who follows C# Fritz all the time, he left a pull request about a week and a half ago. First time contributor to my Mott's Codes Live repo, and has been doing some CLI stuff with Blazor and adding kind of a base sample app. So I figured today we'd just kind of check it out, see what happens. There's a whole bunch of stuff, so I figured let's hop over there. Let's see what happened today, and see if we can just kind of take a look at the main stuff. I should probably also update here my where's my 405 is not correct on this follower. Let me update this here. Title followers. Let's see. We're at 495. 500. 495. Every single time you have to update this stupid thing. 31 18 start goal. Boom. There we go. Perfect. So now, there we go. Representation. 495 followers. Appreciate that, everyone, for hanging in there. Hanging out yesterday. I hope everyone had fun. And was anyone on the chat yesterday in my stream, my Visual Studio extravaganza, .NET extravaganza? That was fun. That was fun. I went through everything I possibly could of .NET Core, Xamarin, Visual Studio 2019, so much good stuff. Okay, so this is what Mr. Magoo did. He came in and he said each commit covers a step, which is kind of cool, just kind of along the way. Just did a little thing there, which I think is pretty rad. So he added some basic chat, configured cores. I don't know what that is. Let's go through each of these and kind of take a look at them real quick. Added some SignalR extensions for Blazor. Added a chatbot service. Add a small chat component that encapsulates the views. That's cool. And then to the index page. So let's take a look here. So the first thing he did was add a chat component. As a header template, Blazor chat, list of chat. So here's all the messages. That's cool. If I am connected, oh, that's kind of cool. Name of room. Join room. Name of room, new message. That's cool. Connecting to server. Oh, interesting. Oh, what did he do in here? Okay, so this is the Blazor. Here's a chat service. So we also use this. What's this inject thing? What is that? We added a. What I tried to do is I tried to do a abstraction over all messages. So hopefully he was able to reuse some code between all of the different services in the mobile apps. So on init, in init's async. It looks like he did a service on message received. Cool. New message, you are connected. Oh, so you're just adding stuff in there. That's cool. All right. So on message receive, has state change. So I guess that's when it refreshes the page. Oh, so before I did file new Blazor. That's what I did before. I did file new Blazor. So you add remove SignalR client. Oh, because it's already built in. So it's already there. I think. Okay, so nothing crazy here. Just has this, has a message, iEvent arguments. Cool. You added a chat sample. Configure cores. What's cores? Add cores. ASP.NET Core. I don't know anything about ASP.NET Core. Enable cross-origin requests. Why did they put that in there? That's interesting. Browser security, so okay, from different packages. Cross-origin resource sharing. Oh. The following two have the same origin. These URLs have different origins. Oh, interesting. So, .com. It's the same identical schemes. Okay, cool. So, that's cool. Add cores. Did that. All right. Easy peasy. Add course policy. Change the port for some reason to 5002. All right. Blazor chat sample. So he added into this. This is now into the Blazor chat client. Oh, I see. So he has a chat client and then a web front end. So he's doing the server flow here. Makes sense. There's a Blazor CLI, Blazor SignalR extensions. Nothing crazy there. Blazor chat. Service. Blazor client. Oh, this is all the code that I had earlier. Blazor extensions. Interesting. So this says he added we cannot use because Blazor runs in WASM. It cannot use the same SignalR client as the other projects. Ugh. That's a shame. I wonder if we can refactor this a little bit. We can refactor this. We can make it happen. Anything is possible. So we're going to take a look. We're going to do some refactoring today and take a look at this project. We're going to pull it down, see what he did. Maybe do some multi-targeting. Ooh, multi-targeting for the peeps that like to multi-target. That's me. Let's see here. Let's push this up a little bit. There we go. Cool. All right. What else did he do? So is room joined, room name, Jumbotron. That's a cool name. Oh, he has all the room, and you can say join room on each of them. That's cool. I'm excited to see what this looks like. Blah, 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 blah. Let's just, how do we pull this down? Let's see here. How do I do a pull request? Let's see. How do I pull it down? I can open this via command line. There we go. So we want, let's go into, ooh, the Visual Studio Live Share updated. I like that. Updating Live Share. Mods codes live. All right, we want to, where is it? Pull requests. Is this the new pull request? Oh, cool. Ooh, I need to go to master. There we go. Look at this. I love this. What extensions do I have? Oh, this is the GitHub extension that was updated. Ooh, just updated. Ooh, fancy. Ooh, makes me feel good inside. I like that. Any updates available? So we just updated the GitHub one. Okay, so Visual Studio 15.9 update available. I don't want to update it right now live in the chat. Okay, so how do I... Oh, I'm on... I thought I'm on Blazor. Sync. I think I have some changes maybe. How do I... Oh, there we go. Undo stages. There we go. Get out here. Pull requests. How do I... On Blazor. I think then I can do checkout. There we go. Cool. This is like the new fancy GitHub thing. I love it. So now I'm on the PR. Super nice. Whew, that's so much nicer. Being able to just do this in line here. So now we have all of his changes. Let's open this puppy. And then hopefully we can multi-target some stuff. Okay, let's do this here. Xamarin templates. There we go. Okay, so there's my backend. I have a lot of pieces, a lot of moving pieces here. Let's configure a... How do I do the multi-target setup? There we go. I want to do... I need the... I have a console app. So I should be able to say I would like the backend to start without debugging. The Blazor client to start. And then maybe the console app. There we go. Multi-project setup. Boom. All right. So if I hit start, actually, I don't know what's going to happen. Server is never assigned. Let's look at this Blazor client. So it looks like he has it's WASM, so it's inside of it. So that makes sense. Local host. Cool. Let's get into Xamarin. So I have a command line here, right? So, where's my... Oh, there we go. Question. All right. Now, ideally... I'm curious if it actually started my... Where's my Blazor client? Where's my... where is my Stardust debug? I thought I had this thing... Oh, it looks like it stopped for some reason. Oh. Alright, let's debug this thing. Let's go ahead and set that as my startup. Oh, I definitely can, let's just run this one. We can just always leave this running because it doesn't matter. Set a startup. And let us then do this. Hit that. Hell jazz, I integrated today into Blazor my wrapper for Windows. Yeah, I mean, I guess the Win32, if it's, well, it depends what you're doing, I guess. If you could access them in a browser, then yes. But how come this doesn't work? Huh. The program.net has stopped. It just like stops. Why does it stop? No, I needed whatever it said. What did it say? What did it say? Oh, okay, so let's see. Notepad. I guess it would make sense. You could post on the Blazor. I mean, it depends if it's the WebAssembly or not. So, okay. So it says cannot identify unique bin directory. Found both C and Twitch SignalR Saturday's Blazor bin release. Huh. Oh. Okay. That's interesting. Interesting. For some reason it built it in release, I think, and then crashed. So that's good. Yeah, that's a good question. Helge, I'm pretty sure, yeah, not, because like it's accessing. Oh, cool. I assume that local hosts could do this. Then I could do Blazor. Connect. Oh, cool. Look at this. So I can say Xamarin. And then... Oh, I assume that I probably don't have other things running. Okay, so let's do this here. Let it shut us down. And then I'm curious. DLL wrapper. Yeah, that makes sense. I mean, that kind of makes sense in general how... There we go. That kind of makes sense to not be able to call Win32 DLLs because it can't really interpret those, you know, those DLLs in person. So it makes a lot of sense. Oh, here we go. Cool. So, hello, Blazor. Cool. It'd be cool to list all the channels over here, actually. Oh, and there we go. Mods, Blazor, local host. Boop. Xamarin. That should work. Come on. Oh, it's just waiting for me. It says, hello world. Hello world. Cool. Very cool. Nice. Now, I want this to be up top, though, right? I want this to be up top here. So let us change our stars. Okay, I need a new computer. I need a new computer to stream. So let's go to our pages. let's delete a bunch of stuff. So let's delete. Oh, let us first, before I do anything here, let us go and accept this PR. Did I check out anything? I probably did. No, I didn't. Cool. So let us add a review. This looks amazing. Submit it. Approve. Nice. And then, how do I accept this PR? I don't actually know if I can accept the PR from here or not. I think I have to go over here and then I did that. Perfect. So now I'm over here in Blazor chat. That looks good. Let's go ahead and got my Blazor chat merged, and then we should be able to come into my team explorer. Let's go into my branches, Blazor. Let's pull that. Reset? No. Fetch. Let's go ahead and change. Check out. Let's make sure this is all synced. Sync. Nice. Fantastic. Thanks, you, Mr. Magoo. He's not even on here, but thanks. Thanks, Mr. Magoo. You are awesome. I don't know what he did, but that's fantastical. Very beautiful. All right, so we have Blazor serve.net. Cool, cool, cool. So we want to go in and we want to... I just want to delete a bunch of stuff. So let's delete this stuff. Let's look at our main layout. Have menu. Let's delete all this stuff. Okay. Survey prompt. Ooh. Okay, that looks good. Components. Chat component. Oh, this is nice because he's using like a reusable chat room client. So we definitely want to move this up top. Above all the chats. Doop. Okay, looks good. And let us change this to start without debugging. Okay, so he said that in here, since if I look at the dependencies in his NuGet, they use a Blazor extension, SignalR, and not necessarily our SignalR. But I think that the code between, let's just use this WebSockets. Which transfers do you want to use for this connection? So he has these Blazor extensions. So what we want to do is change this because we created this so there's a core, chat service, and event handlers. And he had to duplicate a bunch of code, unfortunately, to put this in there. Message, message, message. Okay. So what we want to do is we want to multi-target this to get this to work, because this one uses SignalR client and .NET standards. So let us unload this and let us fix this. Let us fix this. I'm going to look at my, where's it at? Plugin. Didn't think I was going to have to do this, but that's okay. Let us change this. Instead of to this project, we're going to do this. We're going to change it to a SignalR. So let's look at the SDK version. What is it at? It is currently at, where's my NuGet? 6.5. Okay. Then what we want to do, so we're going to multi-target this. Oh, he has a 2.0 preview. Fancy. multi-target this puppy. And we are going to add a few targets. There we go. So we just want net standard to check. We don't need anything for Xamarin or that. What we want is to do a diff for edit. Oh, it's net standard. How is that net standard? Wait, that doesn't make any sense. Blazor chat client. Huh. I think this is supposed to be ASP.NET Core. This is tricky if so, then. I don't like that. I feel as if it should be a NetCore 2.1 app, no? Am I wrong? Yeah, I'm going to make it a NetCore 2.1 app, and then what we can do is we can come into my core, and we can do different things here. Because here, we would want to use whatever this is. So his Blazor SignalR extensions. .NET CLI tool. Wow, this is crazy. A little bit complex, I think. So that looks good. But I want to go and edit this. And we want to make it so. We want to make it so there's a condition on the property group. Item group. And we can do condition. Then let's pull this out. Starts with net standard. We're going to use that. Else, if it begins with net core app, we will use this here. Okay. That's all we need to do. Oh, we probably need to also include all of the... No, we can include every file, because that'll just work. 2. Okay. What is going on here? What doesn't it like? What's this correct? Build that. That should build. No? Ooh. Ensure that the restore has run. Let's see. Restore. When in doubt, delete bin and obj. There we go. Woo. Clean. Let's do a restore. NetCore app 2.1. Oh, can we get more specific on? Because isn't this also a NetCore app? What are my target frameworks? Target framework. Because I don't want this to be it. I want it to literally be. There's net standard, net core app. There's just net core app, and this is going to be problematic because it doesn't know. Arg. Unless we change this to a shared project, then it's going to be problematic to share code across everything. It's just not going to be possible. Not going to be possible. Deprecated. ASP net core app. Net core app. Net core app. But I want to reuse the code. Okay, so we can fix this. I'm going to... How am I going to fix this? How am I going to fix this? How am I going to fix it? That's a good question. So if there's no longer a... I thought I could do like ASP net core app. That seems very long in the tooth. That's definitely not what I needed. I thought I had something for settings plugin. Let me look. Net standard. Yeah, net core app. So the problem is I have a console net core app, and this is not what I wanted it to do. Yeah, see, this would work, except for the problem is that this is not using that. I wonder if this will just still work. Like, oh, if you're a Netcore 2 app, just include both of those, and then pick and choose? Let us see. Where is his chat client? Because his code is extremely similar to mine. I don't want to duplicate this code. Because if I look here, the only difference is that I'm using that in one case and one. So if I do... It's like literally the same code, and that's what bothers me. Except for this. Besides for this opt levels, which I think is fine, everything else is probably the same. So it's like, how do we not duplicate this code? How do we get a TFM that allows me to get this to work correctly? It even has get rooms. That's smart. How do I share code? How do I share code? How do I share code? Because this would normally work fine, but the problem is that I have this other Netcore app, right, which is here. Wait, why is, oh yeah, that brings that in. And it is a Netcore app. If I look at this backend, which is a Netcore app, and also an ASP Netcore app. Let's see, target framework. Netcore app versus ASP.NET Core app. I need a Orin in here. I need a orin in here. I need an orin in here. I need an orin in here. I need an orin over here. Target multiple frameworks. That doesn't help. This doesn't. Why is this a Python website? This doesn't help at all. This doesn't help at all. Tutorials person. Oh, jeez. See what David Fowler says. The only way I can think of doing this is making it a shared project. And then... Oh, man, that is rough. That is rough. I don't think there's any way for me to... Target framework, ASP.NET Core app. Yeah, Net Core app. Yeah, this seems like a issue I need to talk to the .NET team about. There needs to be a way for me to migrate to or understand how to do this. Ugh. Okay, so there seems as though there's no way for me to do this because it's impossible. I don't like that. I don't like that. Man, why doesn't that work? The problem I run into is that I can't believe that it uses different packages. That's the first problem I see here. So these Blazor extensions. Well, if that's just a .NET Standard library, I wonder if I can just do something. I'm curious. Okay, so instead of multi-targeting, which we can just leave in, we can just do it single target. All right, so here's what I'm curious about. Instead of multi-targeting, what if we have a Blazor bit? Okay. So instead of doing any of this, where's my Team Explorer? Let us move back to a non. Changes. So here's my core. Let us undo changes. Boop. Okay. So there's some Blazor-ish things in here. And I think what we want to do, we're going to see if we can do this. Let's go ahead and remove some of this stuff. Let us see if we cannot. Oh, jeez. Man. Here's my chat service. Oh, and then also, I think that this, what did I do here? I messed this up. Just a .NET Standard library, but knows how to run the CLI to invoke it. I see. Interesting. Let's undo that. Okay. have this chat service, and this other chat service, and I think the Blazor chat one. So what we can do instead is, these are all the same. Is Blazor. And then I can also do using Blazor extensions. Stupid. So there's like 2 of them. Stupid. But there's not too much overlap, surprisingly. So it's just this hub connector of this. So that should be relatively easy to do. It's kind of stupid and tedious. Yeah. I wonder if it is one. It's like, is the Blazor extension... What is inside that Blazor thing? SignalR. Okay, so easy peasy. I bet these are exactly the same. Does this have an interface on it? Please tell me there's an interface. It does. Perfect. Tell me that this... Oh, gosh darn it. Come on. It's just a builder. And then you're saying that they're different? Why? That was just a build. Stupid. Stupid, stupid, stupid. I really want to figure this out. There's a SignalR builder. Services. And this has the services. When I hit build, this returns a hub connection. Oh, I see. I see. Now, what's a hub connection? Is that an interface? No. Oh boy. So if that was an interface, then it would allow me to figure this out. Now, this Blazor thing, it's not what I want. It's not what I want. Hey buddy, how's it going? I'm just struggling to figure out how to make this work. Ugh. I'm just figuring out how to make the Blazor thing work. Because there's multiple things and I want to use the same thing, but it's not going to work. Why is it not going to work? Ugh. This is a struggle. There should be a way to trick it somehow. I feel like this is definitely an issue that they need to figure out because they should just run it. Oh man. What we could do is we could have our own hub connection. And then iHub connection that implements a bunch of stuff. That seems terrible. That seems terrible. Because then you need to like implement everything. I think the best way to do it is probably to make it unfortunately, a shared project. and then bring it in to everything. I think so. Ugh, I don't like it, but I think I'm gonna have to do it. Okay, so how do I convert to a shared project? What we're gonna do is we're gonna say add new project, shared. Man, I hate that. See Xam chat. Okay. Then we're gonna bring in all of these packages. Boop. I'm gonna delete this. Ba-doop. Okay. Then what we're gonna do is we are going to add this reference, the shared project. Boop. Okay. I refuse not to share code. That is what I do. So I refuse to share code. So everything here should be okay. And the biggest thing that we want to do is do some code here. So this will add a dependency for the shared code. Yes. And we're going to remove this. And then this one. It's cool. Then we can add another dependency. Where's my references at? Add reference. Shared projects. Okay. Then what we're going to do is we're going to make a build. We'll say Blazor. Save that. Release Blazor. Save. Then we can do if Blazor, else, and if. There we go. Put that there. Then what we can do is, okay, start conditionally compiling stuff. Let's take a look here. Active channels, that's good. Is connected good, hub connection good. On closed, interesting. Okay, so there's a few little changes that I need to do here. So I can do if Blazor and if. All right, we're just gonna shove that in there. Do this maybe. There we go. There we go. And then else. There we go. It has a few little things to use WebSocket. And then here, same thing. We are going to do if Blazor else and if for now. I imagine this might get changed in the future. Oh, there's subtle changes. Of course there's subtle changes. Why doesn't it like this? If Blazor else. All about that conditional compilation. There we go. Oh, oops. That's not what I was supposed to do. Oh, I guess I was supposed to do that, huh? And the same thing. So now everything else is okay. Oh, is it okay? Is it mad? Why you mad? Why you mad? What is changed here? On hub connection on. Oh, it returns a task. That's interesting. If Blazor and if return task dot completed task. All right, easy enough. Gonna make this code look real ugly, but that's okay. There we go. Same thing down here. I assume there's send async, leave channel, invoke async. Else. There we go. I refuse to make it not the same code base for some reason. There we go. Okay. And the last one. It's like they're all the same. Okay. I am happy because we are doing stuff. Oh, he also did this nice thing, which is do a get rooms. I kind of like that. It's kind of nice shared. Although this should be just return this. There's no real need for that right now. Just going to return that. All right. Let's see where there's Xamarin. Let's see here. Lobby view, and then we can say where do I get my service at? View models. Let's see, this should be good now. Get rid of this. Mega asks, can I develop a Tinder type application with xamarin.forms? You can develop anything with xamarin.forms. Anything you want. Anything is possible. Just do whatever you want. Do whatever you want, bro. I want to now do... Where's my... Why is all this code in here? This doesn't seem right. Oh, I needed to strip that code out of here. That's right. That is right. Where's that service at? Chat service. Enter room. I can do like what? Service. I can do like service. Dot get rooms. Dot select. Let us use link. Select each room. R equals. Project each statement into a thingy. What do I do with that thing where I print out all the names? Select. Link, print out strings. Print array. For each. What is this doing for each? Oh, jeez. That does console. Yeah, you can do that. Okay, that's what it is. String.join. This would be select. Oops. There we go. There we go. That should be better. Oh gosh. Oh, dot. What doesn't it like? Ugh. So if I do this, okay, var rooms, that's going to be back a interface IEnumerable. Oh, well, that's interesting. Yeah, I'm stupid. Environment dot comma command line environment dot. It's like delimiter. And then object. So rooms dot. So services. Get rooms. There we go. That's what I wanted to do. There we go. Enter room. Figuring out link. There we go. Yes, thank you. Thank you, Sith. Operator. Yes. Yes, yes, yes. There it is. Enter rooms, because I'm an idiot. I don't know how to do it. Thank you. Thank you, STHO. Sith. Sith. I'm like, why can't I figure this out? I'm like, because I'm like, I need to go to link. Like, how come link can't do this for me? Of course I don't need link, because I'm silly. Okay, so what I would need to do, I have this lobby chat room. I'm like, I'm such an idiot. I have a base view model. I actually need a view model base. View model base. And this thing is a base view model. Okay. Public class. All right. Then this one, I need to get a public chat service get. And inside of my app, I need to register with dependency service dot register chat service. There we go. Register that. It's not even an interface because I don't need it. There we go. Then I can do. Let's see. I can do this, which is get. Oh, I can do this. Chat service. Service equals null. Then does not equal null. Oh, there we go. Get dependency service. Dot. Dot resolve. And we want to get the chat service. There we go. Cool. Alright, so now everyone has access to this thing. That's cool. Lobby view model is now this chat view model. There we go. And inside my lobby, I wanted to do a new list and then service dot get rooms. There we go. There we go. Cool, cool, cool. Oh, it's a list, so I don't even need to do that. And there we go. Oh, hey, buddy. Hey, Defcom. Thank you for the sub via Twitch Prime. I appreciate that. Very cool. Look at that Nightbot totally working, getting that Twitch Prime up there. Appreciate that. Of course, as you know, all the subs, everything like that, any bits, everything goes to charity, which is super cool. Appreciate that. Now you got some sweet emotes. Let's get some mooch and coffee up in here. Boom, 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 boom. Lovely. Thank you so much. Appreciate it. Just having fun with Blazor. Having fun with Blazor. Okay, so we're not going to swap out too much stuff just yet. I do need to swap out this entire hub connection. That's one thing I didn't do because it's all here. So I should probably swap all that out at some point. But we won't do that right now. So I think that this is looking okay. What I want to be able to do is delete this Blazor chat. So let's find all of our references. It adds a singleton, so let's just do a chat service. Okay. So it'll be a new chat service. Okay. And let's just see if the same thing works that it did before. So this should work. Okay. So now we should be able to share the same exact code, or similar code, I should say, because there's some if-def compilation since the Blazor backend's a little bit different. But they're so similar that I think it's okay. Oh, let's go and change this. Ooh, it looks like it's already running. Okay, so now, oh, that broke. All right, that did not work. That's good. That is good. So, okay, so backend first, set a startup project. All right. That's good. All right, let's look at the web. Set a startup project. Let's hit debug. Let's see what happens. This should be the same exact code, so nothing should fail. Oh, gosh darn it. It has, for some reason... Wait, what? What is it mad about? It closes so much. Hey, Lewis, how's it going? Luis. All right, so... Is this not running? Why is this not running? There you go. Oh, got to copy it real quick. Then go to, I don't know why that thing fails, but could not locate Blazor chat. Expected it to find exactly one subdirectory, but found two. Blazor chat. Don't save. Oh. It's because I changed. Is this? They need to fix that. That's pretty bad. Okay, so we fix this up. We run it. We're good. Hey, we got some people. We have more people. Wow, 19 people. I don't know what people are doing, but I'm just getting some Blazor running. Okay, so I got some Blazor chat running, and it did nothing. There it is, loading. Okay, that's good. Loading. Load. Nothing, I broke it. What did I do? What did I do? All right, let's inspect. Developer tools. Okay. Call method, program line 9. Program 9, line 9. Get out of there. Stop debugging. Program line 9 says what? That doesn't help at all because it's... Oh, program line 9. Maybe I have like multiple ones running. Maybe that's the problem. Okay. Doesn't know what to do in the world of Blazor. It's loading. Things are loading and then load. Okay, maybe I broke something when I changed the Blazor user interface. Like, did I mess something up? I didn't change that much in general, so it's kind of confusing as to what is happening. Let's look at my Team Explorer. Deleted some pages. It changed the net. What's the start? Did I change the startup? Well, I guess I can change that back and see if that makes a difference in the startup code. I'm curious if that breaks it. This Blazor chat, there should be... Oh, that looks good. Okay. Well, so let's go back and then see if we can change the startup code and if that actually broke it or not. That'd be very upsetting, and I don't know why, because it's the same code. Let's see, though. I'm assuming not. I think I must have broke something somewhere else. Oh, no, that is it. What? Huh. That's interesting. Ooh, what just happened? What just happened? That broke. Okay, so why would changing out that backend break it? It's literally the same code. What's going on here? Okay. There we go. Okay, it launches it. Blazor. Connect. Okay. What is different between Blazor chat and not Blazor chat? There must be something different between the two that is making them break. Let's see here. Close others. Oh, that's why. Because it has this thing. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Okay, so that's because this should be chat service. Okay. Boop. And then, because I was injecting stuff and didn't figure out, and this, oops, what did I just do? Chat service, Blazor. So it should be the Blazor chat service. Boom. Yeah, that's what it was. Yeah, you're right. Pont. Yes, that was the problem, I think, in general, is that it was still requesting the Blazor chat service. I didn't have the guts to actually delete that code just yet. So of course it still existed. So that was it. Okay, cool. So now this is running. Nice. So I should also be able to. Oh my goodness. What is that? What is that? Holy bananas. What is that? Just crashed. I don't know what that folder was. Okay, so where is my set of startup? Do multi. Okay. So let us shut down all of this. Ah. Oh. Welcome to the chat as well. Welcome to the stream. Pont. Welcome, welcome, welcome. So let's see if this is good. And then next week we'll refactor the other one. So we have a backend. We have our client. It's our Blazor client that's just sitting around. We have a local client. We also have mobile client. So I should say local host. And I'll say Xamarin. And then I'll say Blazor. I'll say local host. I'll say connected Xamarin. Hello from Blazor. Send. Hello from console. Send. Beautiful. Okay, cool. So far, we have our web backend. We have our Blazor client. We have mobile clients. We have shared common backend services between all of them. And we can now delete this bit of code that is going on. So we can remove all this stuff, which is cool. Now from our Blazor client, we can remove this shenanigans, get out of here. Unfortunately, we had to use shared code projects, but that's the beauty of a shared code project, is sometimes you got to hack around stuff and you just do it. And then finally, what we really want to do is if I was to go into my lobby inside of here, I have a chat view model. What I would really love to do is swap out this hub connection. So delete this hub connection here. Boop. And then I can do, I don't even need that. I could do service dot on receive message. Wish it would just do an inline one.
I'm way up, I feel blessed.
Hey, Florian. Thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. We're on our quest to 500. We're super close, which is super cool. All right, so where is our on receive message? What does that do? I'll just event args. Args. Is that what it does? I don't actually know. Yeah, it does. Sender args. On receive message. This should just be this. Args.message. Service dot on entered or exited sender args. And the same thing here. Args message, cool. What are those? On connection close plus equals sender args. Just cleaning up our code here. So on the connections closed, we want to. What do we want to do? What happens here? I wrote this code. What happens here? On closed. Oh, it just does it. It tries to connect for us automatically, so nothing really I need to do. On connection close sends this event, and then it handles it for us. Good. Okay, so. Oops. Okay, that's cool. Get rid of this, get rid of this. And then the only thing I really need to do is just say string IP. Just do that and the setup. Should be service connect async. And then in here, we're going to then do service dot join channel async. All right, group name, send local message, and then await service dot leave. All right.
I'm way up, I feel blessed.
Please do not leave cases or parcels unattended anywhere on the station. Any unattended articles are likely to be removed without warning.
Ooh, whoever that is, thank you for the follow. I don't even know what that is. It's cool ASCII or cool kanji. Kanji? I think kanji, yeah. What's your opinion on live share? Oh, I love live share. Live share is phenomenal. I think it's amazing. I love it. I'm super into it, so I don't know. That's how I feel about it, I guess. Leave channel does removes group, but it doesn't disconnect. So here we're going to also, yeah, we do, where's my disconnect? There we go. Yeah, live share is amazing. I love that it's just built in. I have it right here. Boom. Oh, I'm sharing stuff. Oops, there we go. But yeah, I think it's phenomenal. So we were using it in What are we doing? So I need to stop.
I'm
Don't need to be in one. There we go. Yeah, I think live share is super cool. Raj, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. We're on our quest to 500, which is 2 away, which is pretty rad. So thank you for the follow. Let's see, service dot, and then we'll do send message async, and then we should be able to then clean up our code. This is feeling good. This is feeling good. Put that there. That's it. That is it. So now, if we set our service, let's do this. Properties. Let's set our UWP also without debugging. See what happens if I hit start. So we get all the things. Well, the cool thing is that you can, oh, build errors. What happened? Services. Oh, yeah, I don't need that because I deleted it. There you go. You can just grab the code right there. So it's all there. You can go and grab it and go to town. Okay, so we should have our back end, front end, local. Oop. Oh. Wasn't up and running yet, I guess. All right, backend server, one at a time. Start. Oh, that's my Blazor client. All right, so backend client, start, run. We'll get a whole bunch of more people. Hey, everyone coming in. You're coming at the end of the chat, end of the stream, but that's okay. We're testing our final changes for our Blazor and Xamarin and console chat application that shares code between all 3 of them for SignalR. So let's see, local host. You're connected, Xamarin. So our oh, nice. That's cool. Yeah, you can kind of do like anything in SignalR, which is amazing. I love it. I love it. I love it so far. So this is our console app. It's beautiful, as you can see. It does nothing so far. Let's try UWP. Start that as our next. And I have Android and iOS too. I could do all of them. But so far we have a console app, Android, iOS, Windows, and a Blazor application. And they should all be able to communicate with each other. James, we're in the Xamarin chat room. Error connection. Object not set to a reference. Let's see what I did wrong. Did something wrong clearly. Hey Luis, thank you for the follow. I appreciate that. We're doing pretty well. We're up to 499. I do believe 490, 498, 490 something. Object reference not set to an instance. How come it didn't throw an exception? Okay, let's see. Gets the rooms. Oh. Ooh. Where's my chat service? Okay, so this does I have to init it. Oops. No, I forgot to init it. Source.init IP. There we go. And then actually I can move this back to here. I'm way up, I feel blessed. Uh-oh, 500, baby. That's what just happened. Boom, 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 boom.
Nothing is impossible.
Thanks you, Mikey. 500, hitting it before the New Year's. I appreciate that. That is rad.
Today was a good
right at 10 a.m. Let's see if we can get this in here, and then we'll check in this code. I should just make sure this runs. Yes. Hello. Hello. All right, cool. Oh, yeah, every single client should have a monkey name. They all should do it. Let's see here. Need more monkeys. Need more monkeys. All right, so here's this. Cool. And then finally, let's set that as my startup project. So we should have, and I quote, see, Blazor, local host, connect, Xamarin. We should have I like that I did that little message when it joined too. Hello from Blazor. Send. Boom. Hello from Xamarin. Pew. Nice. Pew. That's so cool. All right, so we're reusing the same code between Blazor, between this, everything like that. If we had a chatter profile and test the monkeys, for example, we could set up some sweet profiles. That'd be pretty cool. Nice. Ah, Bitzah says I wrote a real-time survey app for Android and iOS. Force quit message. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Yeah, you can kind of do a whole bunch of cool things. It's like blasting messages back and forth. So this is cool. I need to find a real use case besides just this little chat app, but I want to kind of continue this out. So now we have a Blazor app running in WebAssembly. We have a Xamarin app and a Backend app. That's so cool. So refactored our Backend code to share between. Yep, just it's right here. It's already there. I'm about to commit it right now. Between Blazor mobile and console. Updated Blazor client to updated Blazor UI to show only chat stuff and enter and text on top. Cool. All right, so that's good, and we can save it. Commit all. Yes, almost every time I come in here, I'm always pushing some code. Let's do a PR2 to master, which is cool. Oh, that's cool. Use SignalR to communicate via Win32 service. Whoa. Oh, that's cool. That makes sense. Kind of do barcode scanner. Nice. Yeah, Blazor seems to have a lot of different use cases. They just released a Java client too. I think, you know, even though as a .NET developer, like I'm not going to probably use it, but I think that's really cool because then it kind of opens up the world of more. This is nice. This is the new pull request thing. So, let's see. So let's do a add Blazor client. Oh, pair to pair? Ooh, I don't know. Yeah, you probably need something else because you need like some Bluetooth thing. Yeah, or who else has stuff? Here's my pull request I just created. Let's merge it. Cool. There it is. It's all there in my Mott's Code Live. You can go grab that. It's right here on my SignalR Saturdays. All my code. All that code. Boom. Let's refresh it. It should be closed. Boom. Wi-Fi Direct. Yeah, Wi-Fi Direct. What's the thing that Google has? Oh, Nearby. Where's it at? Google Nearby API. There we go. That's a cool one. So you can do nearby connections. I think there's Android, iOS. I don't know if it does it on the web, though. But that one's cool because it uses Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, IP, and audio, which is super cool. That's really, really cool one. They use that for like Chromecast and all that jazz and whatnot. Cool. We
It should also read that I crushed it from 2013 to present.
totally crushed it. We have awesome stuff happening. I'm so excited. We got this working. Totally rad. Cool. All right. Our Blazor, our chat application is coming along well. We'll continue next week, most likely. It's already December. Oh my goodness, I can't believe it. It's kind of ridiculous. We are at 500 followers. I'm super excited. Maybe we'll see if we can get 600 by the end of the year. That'd be super rad. Thanks for hanging out, everyone, on a Saturday morning. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Card reader. A USB card reader. I don't know. That's a good question. Just whatever iOS and Android has. That's all you got to do is Google. If it's, I don't know if there's nothing specific for xamarin.forms. Just that's a underlying technology. Just Google what you would do for Android and iOS and just apply it to Xamarin. That's all you got to do. No, I'm just triaging. No. Here's I'm just going through pull requests now. You can see what I'm doing. I'm just going through. Now I'm just triaging code. Oh, good to know. Thank you. Yep. +1. My essentials. Location updates. That looks good. Blah 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 blah. So it's what I do every morning. Okay. There's a big triaging code. All right, anyways, I'm gonna go respond to some stuff. Anyways, thanks everyone for hanging out and checking a look. Let's see. Asterix asks about using the new xamarin.forms 4.0 and Prism stuff. You can create a new GitHub issue on there. But if it's a problem with Prism, you want to ask the Prism stuff. Yeah, no worries. You can rewatch it all after this and export to YouTube as well. So give it a follow and things like that. Yeah, the best thing, Asterix, is always just to ask on GitHub and go from there. So, all right, everyone. I'm going to go enjoy my Saturday. I hope you enjoy your Saturday. And cheers.
Some people dream success. Don't let your dreams be dreams. You should get to the point where anyone else will quit, and you're not gonna stop there. So just do it. Make your dreams come true. Do it. Nothing is impossible. Do it. Make your dreams come true. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Just do it. dream success. Don't let your dreams be dreams. You should get to the point where anyone else will quit, and you're not gonna stop there. So just do it. Make your dreams come true. Do it. Nothing is impossible. Do it. Make your dreams come true. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Just do it. Don't let your dreams be dreams. Yesterday you said tomorrow. Yesterday you said tomorrow. Yesterday you said no. You can wake up and work hard at. You can wake up and stop giving up. You can wake up and work hard at. You can wake up and make your dreams come true. Don't let your dreams be dreams. What are you waiting for? Yesterday you said tomorrow. Yesterday you said tomorrow.